Hi boys and girls, today we're going to do the proof drawing method of addition using 3-digit numbers. The number sentence we have is 152 plus 283 equals, and this is in horizontal format. We're going to put it in vertical format. So we have 152 plus 283. I'm going to look at 152 first. I'm going to look at the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So I'm going to look at the 1, and I know that the 1 is in the hundreds, and I know the 1 represents 100. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to grab a flat. A flat pretty much looks like a square, and that represents 100. Now I'm going to come over and look at the 5, and I know the 5 is in the tens place, and that represents 50. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to grab 5 rods. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally, I'm going to look at the ones place, and I see that it's a 2, and so I need 2 units. I'm going to grab 1 unit, 2 units. Then I'm going to look down at 283. I'm looking at the hundreds place, and I see there is a 2, so I know that represents 2 hundredths, so I need 2 flats. I'm then going to go over to the tens place, and I see that there is an 8, and I know that represents 80, so I need 8 rods. Okay, and there's my 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then finally, I have the ones place, and there are it's a 3, so I'm going to need 3 units. So I have 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. So now I'm going to look at my blocks. Now I'm going to look at my flats. I have 100, 200, 300. So I'm going to come over and I'm going to write 300. Then I'm going to count up my rods. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well, I can make one more flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a circle around those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I have another flat. So what I will do is I'm going to come over and I am going to bring another flat over to represent these 10 tens that I have. And I will come over and I will make that into a 400 now, because I have 100, 200, 300, 400. Now I will look at the remaining tens that I have left. I have 10, 20, 30. So I'm going to come under the 400 and I'm going to write 30 in there. And then finally, I'm going to look at my ones place. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put in my 5 units that I have, and I'm going to add these up. So I know that there is 5 units, so 0 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 3 is 3, and I just bring down my 4. And so my answer is 435. I can also count it out if I'd like. 10 or 100, 200, 300, 400, 410, 420, 430, 431, 432, 433, 434, 435.